Good morning, friends. Myself Aman Sharma from Hotel Management Department in RPI IT Campus, Karnal. Today's our topic is hotels and its classification. Hotels, an establishment that provide lodging and usually meal and other services for travelers and other paying guests. A hotel is a type of establishment that accommodate visitor for a short stay at a stated fee. A commercial establishment offering lodging to travelers and sometime to permanent residents, and often having restaurant, meeting rooms, stores, etc. that are available to general public. It is called hotel. Types of hotel. Hotels can be divided on different bases. First is basis on location. City center or downtown hotel, generally located in the heart of the city within a short distance from business center, shopping, arcade. Rates are normally high due to their location advantages. They have high traffic on weekdays and the occupancy is generally high. Example, Taj Mahal in Mumbai. Motels. They are located primarily on highway. They provide loading to highway travelers and also provide ample parking space. The length of stay is usually overnight. Example, KTDC in Kerala. Suburban hotels. They are located in suburban areas. It generally have high traffic on weekends. It is ideal for budget travelers. In this type of hotel, rates are moderately low. Airport hotels. These hotels are set up nearby the airport. They have transit guests who stay over between flights. Example, Century Hotel in New Delhi. Resort hotel. They are also termed as health resort or beach hills resort, and so depending on their position and location. They cater a person who wants to relax, enjoy themselves at hill station. Most resort works to full capacity during peak season. Sales and revenue fluctuate from season to season. Example, Raj Vilas in Jaipur. Rotels. These novel variants are Hotel on Wheel, our very own Palace on Wheel, and Deccan Odysseys are train providing a luxurious hotel atmosphere. Their interior is done like hotel room. They are normally used by small group of travelers. Example, Palace on Wheel. Floating hotels. As name implies, these hotels are established on luxury liner or ships. It is located on river, sea or big lake. In cruise ship, rooms are generally small and all furniture is fixed down. It has long stay guests. Example, Royal Caribbean cruise ship. Boatels. A hotel boat hot- is referred as boatels. The Shikara of Kashmir and Ketuvalam of Kerala are houseboats in India which offer luxurious accommodation to travel. Example, Shikara in Kashmir. Based on the level of service, economic and budget hotels. These hotels meet the basic need of the guest by providing comfortable and clean room for a comfortable stay. For example, Central Park at Gwalior. Mid-market hotel. It is suite hotel that offers small living room with appropriate furniture and small bedroom with king size bed. Example, Crystal Inn in Agra. Luxury hotels. These offer world-class service providing restaurant and lounge, concierge service, meeting room, dining facility. Bath linen is provided to the guest and is replaced accordingly. These guest rooms contain furnishing, artwork, etc. Prime market of this hotel are celebrities, business executives, and high-ranking political figures. For example, Hyatt Regency in New Delhi. Basis on the length of stay. Transit hotel. These are hotels where guests stay for a day or even less They are usually 5-star hotels. The occupancy rate is usually very high. These hotels are situated near airports. For example, Eaton Smart Airport Transit Hotel at Terminal 3, Indira Gandhi International Airport, New Delhi. Residential hotel. These are the hotel where guests can stay for a minimum period of 1 month and up to a year. The rent can be paid on monthly or quarterly basis. They provide sitting room, bedroom and kitchen room. For example, Hare Krishna Orchard Residency Retreat at Mathura. Semi-residential hotel. These hotels incorporate feature of both transit and residential hotels. Based on target market. Commercial hotel. They are situated in the heart of the city in busy commercial areas so as to get good and high business. They cater mostly businessmen. Convention hotels. These hotels have large convention complex and cater to people attending a convention, conference. Example Lee Meridian, Cochin, JP Palace, Agra. Suite hotel. These hotels offer rooms that may include compact kitchenette. They cater to people who are relocating, act as likely lawyers, executive who are away from home for long business day. Casino hotel. Hotel with predominantly gambling facility come under this category. They have guest room and food and operation too. These hotels tend to cater leisure and vacation travelers. Gambling activity at some casino hotels operate 24 hours a day and 365 days a year. Example Las Vegas in United States. Based on the size. Small hotel less than 25 rooms, medium hotels 25 to 99 rooms, large hotels 100 to 299 rooms, in mega hotels more than 290 rooms. Based on the star, single star category, 2-star category, 3-star category, 4-star category, 5-star category and 7-star category. Heritage hotel. In this hotel a guest is graciously welcomed, offered rooms that have their own history, serve traditional cuisine and are entertained by folk artists. These hotels put their best effort to give the glimpse of their region, history and culture. Example Jai Mahal Palace in Jaipur. Ecotel. These are environment friendly hotels. These hotels use eco-friendly items in the rooms. Example Orchid Mumbai is Asia's first and most popular 5-star ecotel. Boutique hotel. These hotels provide exceptional accommodation, furniture in the theme and stylish manner are catered to corporate travelers. Example in India, the Park Bangalore is boutique hotel. Spas is a resort which provide therapeutic bath and massage along with other features of luxury hotel in India. Ananda Spa in Himalayas are the most popular spa. Based on ownership and affiliation. Independent hotel. They do not have independently ownership or management affiliation with other properties. That means these properties does not have any relationship to another hotel regarding policies, procedure, marketing or financial obligations. Chain hotels. These kinds of ownership usually imposes certain minimum standard rules, policies and procedure to restrict affiliate activities. In general, the more centralized the organization, the stronger the control over the individual property. Some chains have strong control over the architecture, management and standard of affiliate properties. Others concentrate only on marketing, advertising and central purchasing. Timeshare and condominium hotel. Another new type of segment of the hospitality industry is the timeshare hotel. These are some referred to as vacation interval hotel. Timeshare hotel are where the guest who purchase the ownership of accommodation for a specific period. These owner may also have the unit rented out by the management company that operate the hotels. Condominium are similar to timeshare, but the difference between the two lies in the type of ownership. Units in condominium hotel only have one owner instead of multiple owners, each of for a limited amount of time each year. In this type of hotel, an owner informs the management company if when he or she wants to occupy the unit. These are the some international brands of the hotels like Marriott, Hyatt, Holidays Inn, Hilton, Ramada Inn, Sheraton, Omni Hotels, Radissons. Thank you.